Adventure Fam, we're the Reboins.
I'm Chris.
Noelle. Casey.
Me is Kate.
And we are Full-Time Family Adventures.
We live full-time in our 2022 Cherokee Arctic Wolf 3990 suite. We want to show you around on the inside. Let's go.
Alright guys, welcome to our house. Come on in. This right here was the big deciding factor for us when we bought this fifth wheel. Having a front living room has been a game changer. We do have to sacrifice a little bit because it means the kids sleep above us, but this space has been super nice. We've done a few mods since living in it. We took out the recliners and the couches here, and we converted this slide into a Lego building paradise for the kids. They have absolutely loved this. We got these little Lego tables off of Amazon, put these little shelves here and some little Lego strip tape so that the kids can put their Lego figures here. And it's really just helped with our toy storage since their room is technically a loft. And then behind me, we have our entertainment center. We also have this amazing little fireplace that also works as an electric heater. So in winter time, this has been a nice little cozy warm room. And on this slide, we have just a seating area. This was again one of the couches that we replaced. And then we have our other couch on this side. So perfect for movie nights, video game nights, just a good place to hang out and let the kids get their toys out and get all messy in here. Now let's head down the steps. We'll check out our kitchen and our office. As you come down our steps, you'll notice we have our family pictures here up on our wall. We've actually had these for quite a few years. They've been in the last several houses we lived in before even moving into this RV. We've never changed out the adhesive strips on these either. So these stay up on this wall every travel day, never budge, never come down, and they're really lightweight. I know you probably can't tell through the camera, but they like don't weigh a thing. So down here is our kitchen on this side. Right over here in all of these cabinets, we have our food storage and dry food storage. This is our little spice rack cabinet right here. Little junk basket over here. And then we have our fridge and freezer and our microwave and stove, a couple other little kitchen appliances and things. And we have our little island. The cool thing about our kitchen is that we sacrificed our pantry, but for a laundry room. So we have a stackable washer and dryer by Splendide. We have loved it. Game changer while full-time traveling. We don't have to go to a laundry vat or use any extra money in laundry. We can throw it in while we're prepping dinner, washing dishes. It's great. So then on the other side, we have our office slide, which used to be the dining room slide. There was a fixed table here with 4 chairs, and we took that out. But since we had to get rid of our dining room table over here, we decided to install this little flip up table right here to our island. So it just increases our counter space. We can use it as a little breakfast nook. We can also bring the chairs around it and use this as our little dining room table. Found these corner desks on overstock.com, I believe. So this is turned into a school space, a workspace, and a nice place to enjoy the views, because this is where most of our windows are in this layout. So let's head down our hallway here. And right in the middle of the hallway is our bathroom. You have to have a bathroom bug? Somebody has to use the bathroom, so we'll just wait a minute before we show you. Let's not be creepy. Let's not wait. Let's come down. Let's check out our bedroom here where we drop down some stairs. And in here we have an RV King mattress, and it has the walk around feature on both sides, which we have found to be a huge plus. I know a lot of the other layouts, it's like the bed's kind of tucked in the corner. Good job, bug. So on the opposite side of the bed, we have all of our cupboards for everybody's clothes storage. And then we have some storage underneath the bed as well. Underneath here, we pretty much have all of our outdoor accessories and equipment. So underneath here, if you wanna go snowboarding, if you wanna go backpacking or paddleboarding, just lift up the bed, grab your supplies, and get out and have some outdoor fun. So it's been pretty nice to be able to store all those out there. We don't really feel like we're lacking in that at all. And then we also have a closet here, which we just utilize as some like coat storage and extra shoes for everybody. Okay, bathroom's free. So we only have this one bathroom for a family of 4, 1 shower, 1 toilet. We've made it work for 2 years. So we've got all these cubbies over here for storage, as well as a medicine cabinet and under the sink cabinets. So no issues on storage space in the bathroom. We again have just added our own little modification here and found some really fun wallpaper at Target, and then added this little mirror over here that we have secured and velcroed so this doesn't move on travel day either. So let's head up the stairs to the boys' loft and we can get Cade to give you a tour of his room. Let's go.
Welcome to my room. Come on, let's go. So this is my bed. I like Bluey's. My stuffed animal collection is right here. Baby Spider-Man, Baby Witchud, Taco Dragon, and Sharky, Baby Shark, Optimus Prime, Iron Man, Iron Me. This is where Casey sleeps. I'm gonna give you a tour of his bed. Let's check it out. Okay, we're on his bed. Now these are all of his stuffed animals. Thank you for checking out my room.
All right, guys, thanks so much for checking out our home. That's where we live. That's how we live in it. It's not much, but
it's home.
Hey.
Got anything to add, Casey?
Like and subscribe for more full-time family adventures.
Boom! Good job. Okay, you got anything you want to say? All right.
I said yeah.
What do you have to say?
Gotta get one of these guys.
Oh yeah, since he gave you a room tour, he's already got a new guy to add to his collection, so
He has like 50 of those
that's
things.
how we roll around here. All right, guys, like and subscribe for more. We will see you later. Bye.